Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Naysha Nicole, and on my channel you'll hear tips, story times, and anything else I want to put on my channel. So I do have my phone here with a list of 25 things that I wish I knew before getting braces. So number one, you may have to get some teeth pulled. So in my situation, I didn't fortunately have to get any teeth pulled from my mouth because I originally only had little gaps before, and I did have Invisalign before, so I think that helped out a lot. Number two, it'll take a couple weeks to get used to your braces. So yes, your teeth are going to be sore and they're going to feel very different, and you do have to get used to having brackets and braces on your actual teeth. You can feel the pressure of having braces on your teeth within the first couple weeks. Number three, you might sound different. So with me, I feel like I already sound kind of different before because I had Invisalign, and with Invisalign you have a big lisp. So actually I think I sound better with my braces. I can properly say words better and clearer than when I had Invisalign. You do consume a lot of saliva while you have braces, and it's like now, like once I talk, if I talk too much, then I have to take a break and swallow my saliva because it does build up while you have braces, which I don't know why, but yeah, that is something I do have to deal with, a lot of saliva. Nasty. Number four, you'll forget you even have braces. So for most people who don't even have braces, they think, oh, they're gonna annoy me all the time, everyone's gonna notice I have them on, blah blah blah. Well, you won't notice you have braces on after the first couple months. You'll get used to having them, your routine that you have, and all that. Number five, food will get stuck in your teeth, and that's every day, every meal. Whether you're eating pizza, whether you're eating bread, pasta, whatever you eat, food is gonna get stuck between your teeth and between your brackets. And so you do have to be aware that you might have food in your teeth, and to always check before you get up and go somewhere or after you're done eating. So number six, you'll have to learn how to eat differently. So basically you're gonna have to learn to eat in the back of your mouth. You're gonna use the back of your teeth a lot when you have braces on, and I did not know that before getting braces because I ate however I wanted with Invisalign, because with the Invisalign you just pop retainers out and then you put them back in once you're done brushing your teeth and eating. So number seven, you can and cannot eat certain foods. And so when you go to your ortho, they're gonna let you know that you can't eat these kind of foods and you can eat anything else. Well, all the foods you can't eat are the foods that you're gonna love, and that probably is your favorite kind of food to eat. But yeah, honestly, to take care of your teeth, you wanna avoid certain foods. So keep that in mind. Number eight, so lip gloss or lipstick might get stuck on your teeth. Most likely it will, but that's why I say every time check your phone, your mirror, to see if you have any of the lipstick or lip gloss on your teeth. Or you can even go over your braces with your tongue and just make sure there's nothing there if you don't have your phone in your hand or a mirror nearby. Number nine, so getting adjustments or your teeth tightened hurts a lot within the first couple of weeks. In my case, it didn't hurt as much because I had Invisalign before, like right before I put braces on, that I didn't really get that effect. Plus I do have a high tolerance, but within the first couple of times of you getting your teeth tightened and your adjustments, you're gonna feel a lot of pressure. So number 10, be prepared for your mouth to get cut up by your brackets, because you are gonna break a couple of brackets because you do have to get used to having braces and used to not eating certain foods that are going to break your brackets. So be prepared for your mouth to get cut up. 11, people don't really care if you have braces or not. This is my number one reason why I decided to get Invisalign over braces in the beginning of me, wanting to straighten my teeth. I thought, oh my goodness, people are gonna care that I have braces on and they're gonna notice and they're gonna say this and that. People don't care. They're actually like pretty proud of you that you're getting your teeth straightened and you care about your dental hygiene. And so yeah, if you want braces, whether you're in high school, college, if you're an adult, get braces and get your teeth straightened if you can afford it. Number 12, Be prepared for people to ask you questions about braces, and it's not in a bad way. People are really probably just curious about braces because they want them. They're gonna ask you about how much you paid for them, did they hurt, how long you're gonna have them on, like what's the pros and cons of that. And so be prepared for a lot of questions coming your way when getting braces or when having braces. Number 13, you might change the way you smile. So before I had braces, I would smile full teeth, half smile. I was so proud to show my teeth, even with my little gaps. And now it seems like I cover my smile up more now, but I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like better. I'm not better, but like I just tend to like smile with my mouth closed now that I have braces on. And I don't know if it's just because I feel like if I smile now, like all this metal is just gonna be popping out of my pictures. I don't know. But I did change my smile a little bit after getting braces. Number 14, flossing is the hardest when you have braces. And it's because you have these metal things all in the way, so your brackets. Yeah, it's just a lot harder for you to floss the traditional way. So that's why I always tell people invest in a flosser, because that's going to be a lot easier. And you do want to floss, even though it's the hardest thing with braces. It's best that you do take care of your gums and floss your teeth. Which brings me to number 15. If you do floss and take care of your teeth, you are liable for your braces to come off quicker than your normal time that your ortho gave you in the beginning of you getting your braces. Because if you take care of your gums, then that gives you enough space for your teeth to move closer. Yeah, so keep that in mind. Before getting braces, don't think of, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to wear braces for 2 to 4 years and I'm not gonna get it because of that reason. Well, if you do take care of your teeth and your gums, you won't have to wait that long. You might actually take off like 6 months or a few months of the time that you originally got when you first got your braces on. Number 16, think about the color that you get for your braces. So if you have metal braces or if you have clear braces, you should really think about the color of your bands that you want to get, because if you get clear or if you get a color that might just stain your teeth and you don't go to your ortho every couple weeks, you might go every couple months, you might want to get a color that's blue, that's black, you know, green, whatever, something that's not going to stain so easily. I, on the other hand, wanted to get clear braces because I didn't want people to notice I have them on, but I do go to my ortho every few weeks. So number 17, you cannot whiten your teeth when you have braces. So a lot of people think if my teeth are stained, I'm gonna whiten my teeth so no one knows that they're a different color, whatever. It's best that you don't whiten your teeth, because when you get your braces off, you're gonna have a big block stain on top of your actual teeth, and then that's more maintenance that you have to do, more money you have to spend, and who wants to do that? Number 18, your brackets will break, and I can't make this any more clear. Your brackets will break whether you're eating soft food or harder food. Your brackets will break. Be prepared for that, and just know that's just very common. It happens. You might break 1 or 2 brackets within the time that you have your braces on, or you might break 5 or 7 if you don't really care about taking care of your braces. But it will definitely happen. Number 19, your lips will be chapped or dry majority of the time you have braces, which is why I always take care of my lips, and I always have chapstick, or I always have lip gloss. I really don't wear lipstick anymore, but plus we do have to wear a mask 100% of the time that we're outside of our homes, so it doesn't really matter with the lipstick thing. But I definitely wear Carmex under my mask. I definitely wear lip gloss under my mask, chapstick, because the feeling of your lips being dry or chapped is not a good feeling, and it's nasty to me. So yeah, your lips do definitely get chapped and dry while you have braces, so keep that in mind. Number 20, you can definitely still kiss while you have braces. A lot of people feel like if you do kiss your boyfriend, or if you kiss a guy or whatever, that you're gonna cut his mouth up, you're gonna cut his tongue, whatever. You can still kiss with braces, okay? Number 21, you'll be able to physically see the change of your teeth. So with month number 1 or 2, it's going to be very tight and a lot of pressure on your teeth. Now fast forward to like 6 months, 8 months, you'll physically see the change of your teeth tightening and getting closer. So like for me, for an example, I actually see my little gap close. Mind you, my gap wasn't like big at all, but I did see my gap close really quickly, and I thought it was pretty cool and that my money was well spent. So yeah, that was pretty cool. Number 22, braces do not change the shape of your teeth. So before I got my braces, I would see people's teeth before they had braces on, and the teeth will be really like bucked and gappy and all that, and once they got their braces off, it will be like very like straight and squared and perfect. And I just figured in my mind that, okay, well, braces did that for them and all this kind of stuff, and it was just like magical. Well, little did I know, braces don't change the way your shape is. It actually just straightens your teeth, and that's all it really does. Now, once you get your braces off, you can shave them down. You could kind of shape your teeth the way you want them. You can also get veneers if you want to make your smile super straight. Number 23, it's easier to deal with braces than Invisalign. Very low maintenance, and that's my personal opinion. I've had both, and yeah, in my personal opinion, braces is so inconvenient for me with the way my life is right now. I'm always on the go, and yeah, when I had Invisalign, I just felt like that was one more thing I had to really put in my routine, one more thing I really had to worry about and care about to the extreme. With braces, you brush your teeth, you floss, you know, do your regular routine. Basically, it's a little harder flossing, but with Invisalign, it was 10 times more inconvenient for me. Number 24, braces are more accepted than Invisalign. And again, in my personal opinion, because I've had both, I feel like when I had Invisalign, I just had too many problems than I did with braces. And I just feel like braces has been around plenty of years and a long time. I've seen pictures from back in the day with people wearing the back brace for their braces and the head helmet and all that. So braces have been accepted more than Invisalign. And it does work. It's more effective to me than Invisalign. Last one, number 25, but not least, it is so pricey. Braces is pricey, but be grateful because it is a lot of money and it does straighten your teeth, and it is an investment, but it's an investment that if you do take care of your teeth while you have your braces on and after you get them off, it's an investment that you can have for a lifetime. So yes, it's pricey, but it's worth it. Okay, you guys, that was the end of this video. If this video helped you, or you just liked this video because it gave you some information for your friend or your family, please do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below if you have any more questions or any concerns that I did not go over, and I'll get back to you in the next video. Bye.